If you are a Muslim beginner, the internet will show you 100 ways to make money online. Dropshipping, trading, crypto, agencies, AI tools. Everyone says their way is the fastest way to get rich. But here's the real problem nobody mentions. Not every business that makes money is worth starting. Some are too complicated, some are oversaturated, and some sit uncomfortably close to things you want to avoid. So today we will use a simple test with one non-negotiable filter and 4 criteria, then apply it. By the end, you will know exactly how to judge any business idea, halal or not. Before any criteria, there is one non-negotiable filter. If a business compromises your principles, nothing else matters. This is not about excluding fun businesses, it is about keeping your income clean from day one. Criteria 1, accessible. If a beginner needs a full year just to understand the business, that is a red flag. A good first business should be explainable in 5 minutes, even if mastering it takes longer. Criteria 2, low competition. If everyone online sells the exact same script, you are not starting a business. You are entering a shouting contest where the loudest guru wins, not the best operator. Criteria 3, profitable. Revenue is not profit. $10,000 in sales can leave you with $1,000. A business worth starting keeps a healthy chunk of what it earns, not just a busy-looking number. Criteria 4, scalable. If every new client adds more chaos to your life, the business is not growing. It is just giving you a more expensive headache with extra steps. So the test is simple. Halal-friendly, first, then accessible, low competition, profitable, and scalable. Most popular online business ideas fail this test somewhere. Let's see why, quickly. Dropshipping can fail the accessible test fast. You deal with suppliers, shipping delays, and angry refund messages. Trading can fail the halal filter. Many beginners confuse gambling instincts with real business skill. Generic marketing agencies often fail the low competition test. Everyone pitches the exact same service. None of these are automatically haram, but most of them make the test harder to pass. So what actually passes all 5 parts of the test? Let's look at one model that does. It is called an influencer marketing agency. Sounds complicated, but it is actually very simple. On one side, you have creators who built attention. On the other side, you have brands who need attention. Your job is simple. Connect the right creator to the right brand and earn a commission for the match. You are not creating content. You are not running ads. You are running the connection itself. This already sounds less risky than gambling on trades or competing in a flooded dropshipping market. But the real question is, does this model actually pass our 5-part tests? Let's check. First, the halal filter. At its core, this is a service fee for connecting 2 parties, like a referral. Getting paid for real useful work like this is a normal and widely accepted kind of transaction. It is not interest. It is not gambling. It is not selling something fake. It is a paid service. But the halal part does not stop there. The brands and products you connect also matter. Avoid brands built on interest-based loans, gambling-style apps, alcohol, or anything you would rather hide. Choose brands you could proudly tell your parents you work with, not ones you would quietly hide. And avoid pushing creators to exaggerate claims. Misleading an audience for a bigger commission is not worth it. Halal-friendly here means clean money, clean partners, and honest claims. All 3, not just 1. Second, accessible. You already understand creators better than you think, just from scrolling every day. You already notice which creators feel trustworthy, and which ones feel like empty hype. That is the real skill. Turning casual scrolling into actual market research takes days, not years. That is what makes it accessible. Third, profitable. You are not buying inventory, renting a warehouse, or shipping a single product. Your only real costs are time, research, and clear communication. That keeps your overhead extremely low. If a brand pays a creator $1,000 and your commission is 10 to 20%, that connection pays you. Bigger creators and bigger campaigns can create bigger commissions, but the model itself stays the same. Fourth, scalable. Once you prove one deal works, the same process repeats with bigger creators and brands. This model passes all 5 parts of the test. Now here's exactly how you start it, step by step. Step 1. Pick a clean niche where brand sponsorships already exist and products stay easy to keep halal friendly. Good starting niches include productivity tools, tech, education, modest fashion, and family-friendly home products. Step 2. Build a short list of 20 to 30 creators with real audiences and consistent halal-friendly content. Look at comments and engagement, not just follower count. Real trust shows up in how people respond. Step 3. Find brands that already sponsor similar creators. They are easier to approach than total strangers. If a brand is already comfortable paying for influencer content, your pitch becomes far easier to make. Step 4. Contact the creator first. Offer to bring brand deals and only get paid when real value happens. Then contact the brand with a clear reason this specific creator fits their specific audience. Keep the agreement simple. Clear commission, clear deliverables, and absolutely no hidden side deals. One honest, well-matched deal is worth more than 10 rushed, mismatched ones. Once you land your first deal, do not just celebrate. Turn it into proof you can show other people. Use that proof to approach slightly bigger creators, slightly bigger brands, and longer campaigns. Eventually, a single match deal can turn into a recurring monthly partnership. That is how this model scales, without forcing you to manage a growing pile of complicated clients. But remember, halal-friendly is not a checkbox you tick once and forget about. It means staying honest with creators, honest with brands, and clear about every commission every time. It means never promoting a product you would be ashamed to explain to your own family or to Allah. The goal was never just income. The goal is income you can actually feel good about earning. So is this the only halal business worth starting? No, but it passes the test better than most. Halal-friendly, accessible, low competition, profitable, and scalable, without losing your principles along the way. Maybe the best business is not the flashiest one. It is the one that connects real value to real people. If this kind of thinking is useful to you, the next video breaks an idea like this down in even more depth.